Would you like to review and organize the programs for your on-site project? Our preview mode in Hirender softwares could help you check, preview, and edit other programs anytime without affecting the current program being played, so that your program can be playbacked with no accident. The first step is Add Videos. The second step is Drag Videos to the program window. Click Preview so you can rehearsal your program in this area. The output program image before the preview mode in the software would be Hide after the preview. You can click these two buttons in the preview area to replace the currently playing video in the display. The Output and Continue button means continuing play the preview video, and the Output and Replay button means restarting your preview video. This feature is very suitable for the rehearsal and the temporary adjustments of performance spot. If you have any questions, contact with us. Hope you enjoy using this software.